The Chrome is crashing all over the world. Users are reporting that the Chrome is malfunctioning, and this all happened because of one single update, that is Chrome 85. And there are huge reasons behind it. And you can say Google's past is haunting itself. So before I tell you everything, let's roll the intro. Why the hell Chrome is crashing? And the reason is very simple. But what if I tell you that it is not from 2020? It is from 2018. Yeah, you heard me right. In July 2018, Google launched its new feature called Google Site Isolation. And why it had to launch this feature? There were two flaws, okay? One was Meltdown, second was Spectre. Meltdown was happening in only Intel chips, while Spectre was happening in Intel chips, ARM chips, and ARM chips also. Now, what is this vulnerability? This vulnerability is like hackers can bypass your hardware security firewalls and take out your important data, your personal stuff, your passwords and other stuff. They can easily take it out, but Google found out and Google said no, we cannot allow this to go on. While Intel said that they're gonna dispatch a patch for this thing, ARM and AMD doesn't said anything. So this was you can say a monster got unleashed and hackers started to hack other places, and that is how Google made its new feature called Google Site Isolation. What this does is made walls around your tabs so that no web application can bypass your stuff. While it sounds really good in theory, in practical it was literally memory crashing. It started to take 13% more memory. Well, it sounds like 13% memory is not that much. Just think like this, okay? You got one laptop of 4 GB RAM. Now think 13% more memory going. Just try to play Devil May Cry, man. Your PC will start to cry. Man/woman. #feminism. Now what this site isolation does? I told you it made wall, but how? There is a simple process called rendering. What you see in front of your screen is called visual. What you cannot see in front of your screen is a code. What render does is convert all this code into the visual you see. Okay? And this rendering process was allowing hackers to get inside, but Google literally did one thing. They divided this rendering process into multiple processes. So now hackers cannot get inside. So 4 GB RAM and 400 MB for Chrome, that was literally pain in the neck, you can say. With that said, there are other stuff going around also. So what Google does, Google said, okay, just hang on and we will update Chrome day by day so that we can cope up with these things. Now in 2020 they have came up with this Google Chrome 85. Now Chrome 85, with the help of CSS, Content Visibility Auto, they said that they are gonna increase the speed and the performance and grouping stuff 10%. While you can say it is increased 10% and it's gonna take less RAM and it is gonna save memory and other stuff, what they are really doing is what they have done in 2016, okay? They are just trying to replace the stuff. And with doing that, you might be thinking, if they are just coping up, why the Chrome is crashing? The Chrome is crashing because they have also done one thing. Google have an agenda. The agenda is very simple, okay? They have to transfer all their 32-bit software to 64-bit by 2021. And because of the lack of the resources in COVID era, they pushed really hard for the 2020 update of Chrome. Taken with a pinch of salt, the conversion of 32-bit to 64-bit doesn't go on well, and a lot of stuff also. But what we can do? There is a link in the description of icetech.in. You visit the page, you download the older version of Chrome and use it, APK file, okay? Now what I am gonna tell you is you will not gonna like it, but don't update the Chrome till next 3 versions. Why Google is taking us like a beta users and providing us updates like 85, 86, 87. All of them are simply beta version of their own program, and because they have huge number of users, they don't care. And if you don't believe me, just visit the Chromium page, okay? Edge is using the same renderer and they are still on 32-bit. So the Chrome is doing something just for themselves and doing some tuning in Chromium, and that tuning is not going well. It is making the Chrome crash. And in the time of COVID, when all the users are giving examinations on internet, watching videos on internet, taking online classes, the Chrome is crashing. And Google taking us as a beta user. That was my thought, and this is not cool in my dictionary. Chrome, be a good provider and provide us good beta versions. I am 100% sure you cannot provide us the right version, but at least provide us better beta version. Okay. With that said, guys, that was me, Abhishek Raj Mishra. You were watching icetech.in, and please visit icetech.in, okay, and read a lot of stuff, because reading can make you really smart, like my dog. And read a lot of stuff. And believe me, I got specs, okay. These specs are a fortress of study. Bye.